I just spent 24 hours analyzing real Etsy shops and found 15 digital products that have made anywhere from $13,000 to over $1 million. One of them made $1.2 million from a single product. I've got the exact sales numbers and prices, and I'm showing you all 15 so you can create your own versions today. So let's go. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Shannon. I've made over $27,000 selling digital products on Etsy, and on Amazon KDP, over $36,000 in sales. First up, we have a personalized murder mystery party game. The price is $60 and it's currently on sale. It has over 188 sales and the total revenue is $15,000. What I love here is the price point, $60. For a digital product, it proves that people pay premium for unique entertainment. And product number 2 is Airbnb Welcome Book Template. It's priced at $4.20, which is currently on sale. It has over 4,500 sales and it's made over $54,000. You price it low, you get your high volume, and you get a massive profit. Airbnb hosts need these and they're buying these in huge numbers. And product number 3 is the travel itinerary template. And this can be customized. The current price is $4.90. It's made over 2,900 sales. The revenue that it's brought in is $41,000. So travel planning tools that save time will always sell. Product number 4 is a sling bag sewing pattern. This is kind of a retro sewing pattern, but it's priced at $10.77. It's made over 11,000 sales. The revenue has been over $122,000. So sewing patterns at $10 price point are absolutely crushing it, and the crafting community is loyal and they buy. I have another few sewing patterns to show you, but these sewing patterns already prove that there's real money here. But number 8 is the one that I did not expect. I had to refresh the page because it's made over $1.2 million. So stick around for number 8. But number 5 is another sewing pattern, but this one is a wallet sewing pattern. So I wanted to show you. It's a small envelope wallet sewing pattern. It's priced at $10.20. It's sold over 3,600 times. And it has brought in $36,000 in revenue. Another sewing pattern, another winner. And notice the pattern, a $10 price point, consistent sales equals profitable. And number 6 is one that you can actually use AI to help you generate. So don't worry about not having graphic design skills. Number 6 is kitchen wall art, priced at $7.50. They've sold over 5,400. They have $43,000 in revenue. So it's wall art for specific rooms and it sells consistently. People are always decorating and digital downloads make it instant and affordable. Product number 7 is a digital stickers bundle. It's priced at $15.91. It's sold over 4,800 times. It's made over $74,000. Bundling lets you charge more while giving buyers perceived value. And digital stickers for planners are huge right now. So now the moment you've been waiting for, number 8, our $1 million product is a digital planner 2026 to 2027. So it's a digital planner priced at $15.36, so it's not crazy. It's made over 44,000 sales and it's brought in $1.297 million. One product, one price point, over $1 million. And digital planners for GoodNotes is printing money right now. It's kind of hard to come down from that, but product number 9 is a reading journal. So it's a digital reading journal. It's priced at $12.78. It's sold over 10,000 times and it brought in $267,000. The book lover community is passionate and willing to spend on tools that enhance their hobby. But don't worry, I didn't forget about sewing patterns. This might be my last one. So number 10 is an apron sewing pattern. So it has a crossback apron sewing pattern. It's priced at $10.47. It's sold over 2,500 times and it's brought in over $25,000. Seeing that this is the 3rd sewing pattern on the list, the demand is clear. So we're switching gears a little bit. Product number 11 is a custom magazine cover. This is for the fishing lovers in your life. You can do a custom fishing magazine cover. It's actually priced kind of high at $28.80, but it's sold over 272 times and it's brought in over $13,000 in revenue. Personalized novelty products at a higher price point still profit with lower volume. And product number 12 is a wedding planner spreadsheet. So this is for future maid of honor, so maid of honor planner spreadsheet. It's priced at $13.97. It's made over 980 sales and it's brought in over $13,000. wedding niche products sell year-round because people are always planning weddings. And product number 13, Name That Holiday Tune digital trivia game. Priced at $10, sold over 3,000, brought in $30,000. Party games spike in the last quarter but sell consistently throughout the year. Product number 14 is a nursery prints bundle. So it's a bundle of nursery prints. Priced at $15.69, it's made over 820 sales, and it's brought in over $30,000 in revenue. New parents constantly need nursery decor, and bundles give them tons of options at once. And number 15 is educational posters. Priced at $8.87, it's made over 3,500 sales, and it's brought in over $62,000 in revenue. Teachers and homeschool parents are always buying resources. So those are 15 digital products making $13,000 to $1.2 million. And here's what I noticed. Price points from $4 to $60 are all profitable. Sewing patterns at $10 are crushing it. And digital planners make millionaires. Bundles perform even better than single products. Wedding, nursery, and education niches are proven winners. And the biggest takeaway, these already exist and are selling, which means the demand is proven. You don't have to guess what works. Just create better versions of what's already winning. That's all I have for today, but if you need deep dives into other digital product tutorials, watch my playlist here. Thanks for watching.